Today we're looking at the IVG Omnitracs unit for messaging today specifically, and it does other things: hours of service, driver login, vehicle inspection, navigation. But we're going to look at messaging today. Home button gets you to the screen. Messaging, you have to tap that icon and then it'll get you to the message module where you have 3 tabs here, and currently we're looking at no messages in the inbox. So in the messaging module you'll see 3 tabs across the top: inbox, outbox, and compose. Messaging, the inboxes, that's the ones that are sent from the driver manager to the unit for the driver. Outbox tab is there. These are messages that the driver in the compose section have sent back to their driver manager. They arrived at consignee, depart, arrive. This was a compose message, nothing there, and then so on. So those all show up. A driver can go in here and review what he sent to his driver manager. And the third tab is compose, and that's where a driver will be doing most of his communication back to his driver manager. The first one here is called freeform. You tap that and then a driver can type in a message, and then once you type that in the keyboard you have to close it, and then you can hit send, and that would go to the driver manager. And then I'm just canceling that, and then the rest of them is one where the drivers are going to be using for their canned messages back to their driver manager. Arrive at shipper, then depart shipper, and then arrive at stop, depart stop, arrive at consignee, and then finally empty call. And then a couple more that's used is request directions and request routing. Directions would go to the driver manager, and routing would go through the mapping and back to the inbox. Now we're looking at an order that was sent to the driver. The first one down here is what the driver would look at first. It's got the order number, trailer number. That's the original actual order information that there you go, that the driver would open to look at. You got order number there, shipper name, pickup number, their address here, continued down to here, phone number, pickup, and you have to toggle down here to get more information. Commodities in there, exercise equipment, and additional information as you keep toggling down. And then pieces and weight, consignee name there, where it's going, Planet Fitness, Main Street in Connecticut, and you just keep toggling down and give you more information. You have to toggle down to get information on the whole order and load information, and that's that page there. So then you hit back, then additional information on the order, tap that, and then it says more information. You have to make sure you read all the information. When dropping empties during business hours, stop at shipping and receiving office. That's just some more information. It's specifically to this load, and you just toggle down and make sure you get through all the information. And then there's others. Please put the empty inside the gated area. Gate code of speed, and then sent by O and Ivy. But that's more information. I'm gonna hit back to go back to directions there. Page 1. There it goes. Directions: Life Fitness Distribution Center, Rogers. Turn right on it. So you get directions that we were given and was entered by us here at Styer, and all the information.